Hello guys, in this 3-part video series, I am going to show you how to make a mini refrigerator. And in this video, I am going to show you how to make the cooling system for it. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First off, I'm going to use this TEC1 12706. And for the cooling, I'm going to use not only this big heatsink but also a fan. Then I used some hot glue to secure the fan onto the heatsink. Then I added some thermal paste to the unlabeled side and placed it on top of the heatsink. Next, I connected the wire of the fan and the peltier module to my lab bench power supply set to 12 volts. And sure enough, the peltier module was getting cold. But only to 23 degrees Celsius. And it gets even worse. As the hot side gets hotter, the cold side also significantly increases the temperature, which is also not desirable. So I turned off my bench power supply and stuck it to a much more powerful heatsink, and it really improved the cooling. And even when I put my hand on the cold surface, it stays really cool. But it still started to become warm after a minute as the hot side gets to 50 degrees Celsius. So I was forced to use the fan, which made it. Okay, now let's do a stress test on the cooling system. I started a stopwatch and connected the cooling system to my bench power supply. After patiently waiting for around 12 hours, it seemed like this one actually works. And the heatsink is also wet due to the humidity present in the air. So, as you can see, this works flawlessly. And the best thing is that when I ran at 12 hours of operation, it didn't even get hot. So, I would say it is a huge success. And stay tuned for part 2. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Maybe also comment. Stay creative, and I will see you next time.